Hey everyone! Do you spend hours crafting long-form videos only to see them gather digital dust? If that sounds familiar, you're in for a treat today. Let's talk about a game-changing tool for content creators, social media managers, and marketers. Say hello to Minvo, your new best friend in creating short-form content from your long videos faster than you can say social media ready. Whether you're a video editing pro or just starting out, this Minvo lifetime deal will have you turning heads and growing your audience quickly. Ready to dive in? Let's see what makes Minvo shine. What is Minvo? Minvo is an AI-powered tool transforming long-form videos into social media-ready clips and written content. It helps content creators, marketers, and agencies quickly generate engaging reels, shorts, and articles. Minvo simplifies video editing and sharing across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn with features like timeline-based editing, auto-generated captions, and custom branding. It also converts videos into SEO blogs, LinkedIn posts, and more, making it a comprehensive content creation solution. Minvo streamlines workflows, saving time and enhancing audience engagement effortlessly. Minvo also converts videos into written content like SEO blogs and LinkedIn posts. It's like having an entire social media team working overtime just for you. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices await. Minvo's regular price is $120, but thanks to AppSumo, you can grab this deal for just $79 as a one-time payment. No subscriptions, no strings attached, just pure value. Here's a breakdown of the license tiers to help you decide which fits your needs. License Tier 1. Price, $79, was $120. 2 hours per month video input, 1 users, storage, 90 days, perks, unlimited moments exported, up to 5 GB file uploads. License Tier 2. Price, $149, was $300. 5 hours per month video input, 2 users, 90 days storage. License Tier 3. Price, $279, was $720. 12 hours per month video input, 3 users, 180 days storage, perks, larger upload sizes, up to 10 GB. The higher the tier, the more you can create, store, and manage. Find the right one for your workflow and level up your content game today. 6 features that make Minvo special. Auto clip generation. Turn full-length videos into 10+ clips in just 3 clicks. It's editing magic without the hassle. Custom branding. Add intros, outros, logos, and fonts for a professional touch. Perfect for agencies managing multiple clients. AI moments. Let AI identify key moments in your videos so you'll never miss a highlight worth sharing. Social media integration. Post directly to Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more. Say goodbye to juggling platforms. Magic edit tools. Use Magic Caption, Magic Emoji, and Magic Cut to create fun, engaging clips in record time. Who can benefit from Minvo? Marketing agencies, social media managers, YouTubers, freelancers, coaches and consultants, influencers, small business owners. Does that sound like you? Then it's time to unlock your content's full potential. Get 10% more savings on AppSumo today. If you're already excited about Minvo, here's some spicy news. You can snag an extra 10% off this lifetime deal. Here's how. Visit the AppSumo Minvo lifetime deal page. Sign up with an active email address. Watch for a discount code in your inbox. Who doesn't love saving more while getting the best tools in the game? Real user reviews for Minvo on AppSumo. Are you ready to transform your content strategy? So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're creating clips, writing blogs, or posting across platforms, Minvo is here to make your life easier. Check out the description for all the juicy details and grab your Minvo lifetime deal before the timer runs out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tutorials and deals. Let's create magic together, one clip at a time.